Picking up on news, South Africans can expect to pay over 12 Rand a litre for petrol following an announcement that the retail price of 95 grade petrol will rise by 162 cents or 14 cents a litre from the 1st of April. Now, this will likely have a negative impact on inflation. Independent economist Ulrich Joubert joins us now on the line to explain more about the significant increase. Ulrich, thanks for joining us today. Let's get your insights as to what is driving the increase. Is it the rebound in the oil price? Is it the tax and the levies that have been imposed on this, and the dollar-rand implications there because of the weakness in the currencies?
Well, I think that you've mentioned all three of the factors that are affecting the price of fuel that is going to increase by the $1.62. We've seen that the oil price has come back from levels of even less than $50 to the levels at the moment of around about $58 to $60 a barrel once again. We've seen the disturbances in the Middle East, the new conflict between Saudi Arabia and Yemen, which affects the flow of oil perhaps through the Red Sea, through the Suez Canal. So it creates some uncertainty there, and that's why we've seen the rise in the oil price. In the long term, I'm still of the opinion that we could see some weakness in the oil price, the dollar oil price, in the rest of the year because of an oversupply of oil in the markets and very large stockpiles of oil at the moment. It depends on what's going to happen to the sanctions imposed against Iran at the moment, whether they will be lifted in the coming weeks. At the same time, we've seen the weakness of the rand, and a rand above 12 rands to the dollar. That indicated to us, of course, that we could see the rise in the rand, petrol and diesel prices. And then, of course, the authorities still think that the vehicle owners, they are milking cows, and because of that, they could just stop the 18.5 cents levy on the fuel price from the 1st of April, and that, of course, had an impact on this strong rise. It's about 50% of the increase that we see is coming through on the 1st of April.
Ulrich, thank you so much for your time today and for your analysis there on the increase in the petrol price.